Hi, Miss Francis here again. We are in the month of April. This is my birth month, so shouts out to all the Aries out there. Just saying hi to you all. Happy birth month. I hope you all are having a great and fantastic time. I surely am. Okay, so this month we're doing everything brightening, lightening, glowing, exfoliating. This is all about our Even Glow line of facial and body care products. So we're just going to talk about some of our main active ingredients that we use. You're going to see us make one or two things. And this video, we're going to start with our cold process carrot, rice flour, neem, turmeric soup. So that's our main ingredients in this line. And yeah, everything there you hear me mention is about brightening, lightening, scars, marks, discoloration, hyperpigmentation. It deals with all those things. And I know you guys who support our brand already and have tried our products love this particular line. You could get this in excellent stores. You could get it in Pennywise. That's two major stores that we have here in Trinidad and Tobago for cosmetics. And of course, you can get it from us on our website. You can order stuff delivering for delivery. All right, with that said, let's jump right in to this video. And make it all pretty, but no, we wasn't about making a pretty soap. We was about making the most effective product here, in this case this particular soap, and that's why you guys love it so much. I did texture the top for you guys. All right, so it's not too plain and boring. It does have a nice little pretty texture top. So let's dive in a little more on the benefits of those four ingredients I called. Of course, we have a nice oil mix, yes. Olive oil, we use a lot of olive, coconut, castor, shea butter. You know, we must super fat our soaps. So that's just our base. of course, and the main ingredients again is the carrot. So I'm reading off my list here. So if you see me looking that way, I'm reading off my list. Now I already listed the main benefits of them is for hyperpigmentation and discoloration, scars and marks. But of course, these things have so much more in-depth benefits to them, and I'm going to try to briefly run through a few of them with you all of why this line of products that we make is so beneficial and that you all love it so much, and you get to see such great results from it. Carrot seed oil for one, and carrot powder. Anything I see, so put that in, or anything I see people or other formulators use that in is such a high selling product, and that's because carrot seed oil has a lovely color to it, one, but it helps with cell turnover, it helps with breaking down the pigmentation, and just helps rebuild and renew and add that glow back to the skin. It's high in antioxidants, high in vitamin C. Very good, right? So the carrot seed powder, beautiful. Anything you put that in, and if you haven't formulated with that yet, do it. It's very good for pigmentation, scars and marks. Very, very good. We all know turmeric. Turmeric is a really old one. It's there. Is very effective as well. Not, to me personally, not as effective as carrot seed oil or carrot powder, but it's there and it adds a beautiful color to the soap. The soap doesn't stay that dark orange color. Obviously when it cures it does get lighter, but you see how much we did put into it, quite a lot of everything, so it's really rich. So get your hands on one of those as soon as you can. Rice flour, well, you know that's known for exfoliation, which you need in order to heal scars and to remove. You need that exfoliation process, so the right flour does that, and it's very good for brightening, really brightening the skin. We're not talking bleaching, we're talking just really brighten the skin. You know, it helps with that exfoliation, just helps that turnover, this helps that renewal phase. It's really good at doing that. And of course, neem, not the best smelling of oils, but a super beneficial one. It helps with acne, it helps with circulation, it helps with wrinkles, it helps with the fine lines. So neem has that overall antibacterial, antifungal benefit, and of course it has a bit of anti-aging benefit, and of course it helps with acne, which causes a lot of scars and marks. So you see why we use those four particular things. They just come together so well, and of course we really didn't see anything with those four ingredients all mixed together in the market. So of course Kylex Naturals, we wanted to come different, we wanted to come what we would consider better, we wanted to come just great and bring a really overall really great products to you guys. So that's what went on here. You're gonna get to see us make a facial scrub for this line. For those of you who have tried it, you know the scrub. It's a firming facial scrub with these same ingredients. You're gonna get to see us make toners, cream cleansers, always more like a cream to a gel cleanser. So look forward to all those things coming up soon. All right, and you know what I always close off and say, keep formulating. Let's formulate. Have fun doing it. Bye.